Good afternoon, everyone. And first, I like to thank you, ARC, for giving me the forum to speak here. And then I would like to thank Mr. Mohan, who has given a very nice introduction. And I am Sunita Devi. I am group lead of process automation, open process automation at Reliance Industries. Today, I am here to talk about future of process automation in RIL, what we are doing. I understand that time is very limited, so I will just go through fast some of our slides. I will talk about who we are, what are our challenges, what are our motivation to embrace new technology like OPAS and join Open Process Automation Forum. I will talk about little bit about OPAS. I think Mohan has already talked about yesterday's session about OPAS. I just go through that. I will talk about the adoption scenario and ultimately where we are today. I will update on that. So this is just a disclaimer slide. So you can see here that we are the India's most profitable company, and Reliance always support new technology, and they keep on changing time to time what the system demand or the market demands. This is our phenomenal growth journey, and now we are among top 100 global companies. This is our vision to net carbon zero by 2035, and this is our growth engines like to support us for the sustainable value creation. These are Geo Digital Life, Reliance Retail, Reliance O2C business, and New Energy business. And this is our robust and sustainable earning year by year. Now, this is what we want to talk today. What are our challenges or what are our motivation to join OPAS? So these are our challenges. Like we have the first challenge I will say here, that we have a massive installation of control system across different complex, refinery, petrochemical and polyester. And these control systems are from different generation, and we have variety of control systems. So this is our massive installation, and this is our biggest challenge to handle with the legacy system. And we have to take about the continuous upgrade of the system to become cyber secure. Now everyone is talking about digital transformation, and we are also in that journey. And this digital transformation needs more data, and we are having constraint with the legacy system what we have at our complex. If we plan to add new features like alarm rationalization, alarm suppression, asset management, so that is like very difficult to deal with the legacy system. It demands for the upgrade. Now we have one more issue, that is frequent obsolescence of Microsoft operating system. I heard that many of our colleagues was talking about Microsoft obsolescence system, and since Microsoft system is obsolete, we don't get the patches to update that. And this leads with the security vulnerability across the system. So then the requirement comes up to upgrade the system. Suppose we plan to upgrade the front end system, what happened? Because of the compatibility issue, we have to upgrade the back end system. And if we plan to upgrade the back end system, we have to do the shutdowns, because many of the back end system cannot be updated without shutdown requirement. Now, if even we plan to do a upgrade in shutdown, the frequency is not matching. Many of our process demand from 3 to 7 years shutdown frequency. Some call for 3, 4, 5 and 7 years like that. And if you see the Microsoft operating system path, every 5 to 6 years upgrade requirement will come. So again we have to plan it, we have to order the material, we have to wait for the delivery, and we have to match that. So this is one of the biggest challenge for us today. See, again this demand also the cross-platform upgrade and protection of intellectual property. And suppose we have to do the upgrade also. But what happened with the continuous upgrade, this is reducing our profit margin in this scenario. And suppose we upgrade the system, we need to develop our competency. We have to train our people for train with the new control system. And this is cybersecurity is one of very much big point on the legacy system. So these are our challenges who like continuously asking us to upgrade the system, but we have other challenges too. So what are our motivation in that path? So what operational cost? This is very much important factor because we are having continuous pressure to increase profitability from operation point of view. System are closed because this is legacy system. We don't have that much feasibility to interface with outside world. Data are not accessible to everyone, and this is asking for high maintenance cost. And security, no doubt, is one concern. What OPAS is supporting us? It's supporting us for the improved operation, open system, and cyber security. So everyone talking about that OPAS system is having cyber security from day one, and it is 62443 cyber compliance as well from design part itself. Now something brief about OPAS. OPA system is standard based. It is totally standard based system, open, secure, and interoperable. And automation architecture where end user will benefit from the choices of best in class application. If you see today's scenario, if we choose one vendor, we cannot go for other vendor products. So here it open for us for the best in class application products. And what is the problem with the legacy system? Conventional or legacy DCS are closed, and proprietary system which uses hardware interfaces and network with the manufacturer controlled software, what I was telling just before. So now process automation transformation. This will reduce our cost, replacement cost basically, and this will increase, remove our barrier to the technology, new technology inside. Because once we select one vendor, we cannot just change the new technology with the new vendor. We are just have to upgrade them, or you have to run that system. And design for adaptable cyber security. This is already OPAS system is having. So now OPAS is saying no more proprietary interfaces. We will be more looking about the standard based approach. That IEC 61131, IEC 61499, and IEC 6150 or many more. And here you can see the next slide will discuss about this OPAS architecture. So industry engagement is the key to success. I think yesterday's session Mohan was talking the same way, that more and more industry start from supplier, automation supplier companies, end user companies that should be participated in OPAS. More than 100 members in open process automation have joined today. You can see the list here. 20 plus hardware software suppliers also there with OPAS. 5 major DCS suppliers, 10 end users, and out of 10, more than 7 has announced in the test bed on OPAS. So here, this is a standard based approach. So we have received version 1 which talk about interoperability, version 2 which is talking about configuration portability, version 2.1 on which we are planning to do the test bed testing is the version 2.1 final one on the control functionality. In future, in 2023, end of 2023, we are expecting the version 3.0 that will talk about application portability, orchestration, and physical platform. So I will just a little bit touch about application portability. This is like platform independent system. So it will give a openness to change the platform, and like a statement is saying, end user have the ability to move this application whether custom developed or vendor provided from platform to platform. System architecture will encourage us to different product will be on the common forum, and physical platform is ensure the end user has the required degree of openness, interchangeability, interoperability, and security across platform within the system. OPAS standard 2.1 enable of it trigger the different compliances, interoperability, end user test bed, and the certification provide confidence and support commercial adoption on this part. I'm going fast because I'm just looking time also. So this is the concept diagram of process automation system of OPAS. I think everyone must have seen this architecture from different forum, and here you can see that different type of component were coming together on the common platform. The golden part is showing the product is OPAS compliance, and the blue one is like legacy system. It is not yet certified with the OPAS system. So we have, like, we'll go to our architecture also aligned with this one. So this is what we are targeting today. This is like we are doing the OPAS system implementation on DCS PLC. We are not looking on the SIS part in OPAS. So we'll be only touching we have blocked here, that is only coming in the OPAS. Where we are. So I'm just sharing the update with all of you that what we are doing with the OPAS today. So we have dedicated 13-member team in Reliance on the OPAS, and the member is just like we have multiple sites, so we have each representative from different site, and ultimately we have making one team on this system. So we have doing the OPAS participation also. We have also participated in function block subcommittee. We are also participated in security subcommittee meet. We have periodic meeting with OPA forum with our collaboration partner. We also review and discuss OPA standards, and this is our aim to encourage our team, ourselves acknowledge us for the new system. Review and discuss use cases for test bed, and in this part Yokogawa is also helping to create the test bed, and we are also going through the standard and creating the test bed, test cases on the test bed. We also participate in end user and provide excellent input for HMI portability and orchestration. We also participate in outreach activity, ARC forums we are participating, and Automation Expo. At different committee we are participating and joining. Here something about our collaboration partner. So ExxonMobil, Petronas, Aramco, BASF, Dow, Shell, Georgia Pacific, Conofilis and Linde are our collaboration partner in this OPAS journey. Our partner provide us the update on testbed, what Exxon is doing on the testbed part, how they are doing, how they are proceeding, all that they are sharing with us. We are integrating product of more and more vendor in testbed, discussion on common topic of interest, discussing on future topic, what we are doing, what you are planning, that we are sharing together, and collaboration partner are working together to develop the use cases also. The idea is that one company has made the test bed, why other is making, because we want to immerse the new technology, so we just want to learn many things, what we are looking for, what is not there. So that was the only purpose, to make different people are making test bed. This is our architecture, and where I think this is also covered in one of the architecture I shown. So you can see we have make up different decision, Phoenix Context, Stahl, we have decision from Yokogawa also, AS Rock is also, we are also having the decision. So this is our testbed architecture. This is the system configuration, and here you can see all the decision will connected to OCF, and finally we have the workstation, and finally through firewall this will be connected to level 3 system network. So this is our testbed update. We have put the testbed at plan to put the testbed in Jamnagar refinery site. We have already selected the hardware and software for phase 1. Yokogawa selected as a system integrator for testbed, and testbed phase 1 implementation we are planning. And just to update you that we are planning the FAT with Yokogawa our month of August, next month. Use cases and RIL requirement prepared to be tested with testbed. On successful meeting criteria, testbed will be expanded. And our final aim is to for the field trial. So once of the success of the testbed, we will select one of our non-critical process plant and do the field trial with OPAS system. And this is the wrap up. I've just 1 minute is left. I believe I am on time. So change to process automation industry is here. An open process automation standard provides the foundation of open, interoperable, secure system. OPAS provide roadmap for business and technology ecosystem. Our company and industry need an active voice to represent the different your interests. I will say here that Mr. Mohan is trying to interact with different partners to ask them to come to further OPAS. I think he is really putting good effort on that. Significant progress is being achieved. Systems have been built from proof of concept to actualization in test bed. End user, system integrator and supplier need to work adoption in this plan. So I just using the Mohan word that we all are requesting all suppliers and users to participate in OPAS. This is all from my side. Thank you so much.